UPC and TDOC were trending a couple of hours ago. Let's see, or they may still be trending. Yeah. Okay, so let's begin with UPC. It's up 18.55%. As a matter of fact, it has actually lost some of the gains it ran up. You can see here it closed at 31.16. This is Boxing Day. Okay, UPC has a low float, technically a low float, but yeah, technically a low float, yes. Over the last 50 days, this is the volume it has been trading. Today, it is way above that volume. This may not be its float, but when you have floats, float meaning that that's the registered shares. The registered shares, those ones can be traded easily at any point in time. You wake up, you can trade them. Yeah, but effectively, not everything, not all those shares get traded. Just like you have shares you have shares of various companies, but you don't trade them every day. You buy them and you hold them, and the ones you hold are out of floats. They are from floats of the various stocks. So you can see you don't trade them every day, but some people's business to trade every day, and some of them, they are trading UPC, and this is what they're trading: one or 5,000. This is what has been governing the stocks action since for some time, at least over the last 50 days. So here we can see here what happened. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it's been showing some strength within a longer term bearish trend. Let's just say since the 18th of December, since the 19th of December. So it's just been high price. Okay, well, it's lost it. Yes, okay, it has had a slightly cool off on the 23rd. Yeah, but yeah, it's been showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. The extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue to print higher prices going all the way towards the 22nd of January. As a matter of fact, it's expected to remain elevated, at least above current levels by early February. But this is an extrapolation that is pointing to so many days ahead. There's no guarantee that this will be the case at all. The 40-day moving average is equally expected to continue to rise to curtail any expansion, any contraction. Okay, so yeah, the question is, what is UPC doing so well that will justify this? There might be some news. We'll just have a look briefly. Okay, before we do that, let's have a look at its the price pressure momentum of its 10-day moving average. It gives us the angle of attack of its 10-day moving average. Here, it's this strength is expected. The momentum is expected to remain in place at least up till the 2nd of January, and then after that, it might begin to contract, and by then, it's also indicating or suspecting or indicating or extrapolating or projecting that maybe by Wednesday the 7th, it may begin to approach its rising 10-day moving average. That moving average is rising by $3.785 every day, and it may drop below it come Friday the 9th. Come Friday the 9th. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. We're talking about 2 weeks ahead. It's not guaranteed at all. Let's see what the news is. It was okay. You can see what I mean. Yeah, you can see here halted. Usually, I can I won't I can't conclude that this is because of its low float. I can't conclude that that is because, but usually it's it's not far off. It may be associated with that. It may be associated with that. Yeah. So there might be some news out there somewhere, but we don't exactly. I haven't seen it. Yeah. So this is what's okay. We'll just have a look at its 4-hour chart because it has actually given up a decent amount of the gains it ran up. So um, that's the extrapolation there would may not be rhyming with what we have here. Here It's contracted now. Nothing. Well, it's just indicating that it might get a brief bounce, but it's more of a contraction that is expected going all the way towards the 7th of January. Yeah, and the 40 period moving average expected to keep rising as well to curtail any contraction. Yeah. Here the projections are saying, let's see what we have. 5.21. It's currently at 5.62. Momentum is already weakening as well. By the 29th, Monday the 29th, there's a chance it may have dropped below its 10 period moving average. That moving average is rising by $25.73 every 4 hours. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's just quickly have a look at this market greed on this 4 hour chart. It might give us a range of possible prices. Yeah, okay. You can see here, given that it expanded earlier, so we have it's still indicating ambitious prices between 7.06 and 4.18. So, and it's currently let's see where it is at 4.88. It's now in the support zones. The chance of it printing lower prices is there. It is there. Yeah, the chance of it trading outside of this grid is also there as well. Yeah. Teladoc is down 1.79%. It may still be trending. Okay, it's a low. It's a quiet day for the stock. You can see here. 50-day average is 6.528 million, and it only traded 2.797. Quite a high beta stock as well. By some standards, this may still be a low float, but of late we have been used to floats. I mean, sometimes when we're talking about of late, we're talking about low floats. We're talking about something volumes is below. I mean, just like UPC, hundreds of thousands. Yes, that's an ultra low. Sometimes we also forget that this can also be referred as this is for somewhat low as well. Somewhat low. You know, TDOC. Let's see what we have. Okay. Before we use the market grid, this is the 4 hour chart. Okay, so um, a bounce is expected to possibly kick in from Monday the 29th. Yeah, Monday the 29th, and expected to hold going all the way towards the early January. Okay, no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Okay, and projections are currently saying 6.84, 6.95, 7.12, 7.56, 7.74, 7.85. Okay, let's see. 1.79. That's what it lost. Okay, let's come down to its daily chart and see. And the line trend is bearish as well. So here on the daily chart, it's saying that it might continue to show this weakness up till Wednesday the 7th. Then after that, from Wednesday, Thursday the 8th, it might begin to pick up strength and may eventually break through its 40-day moving average, possibly by the 6th of February. It may have done so. There's also no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Projections are saying 2.68, 3.43, 4.65, 8.38, 9.07, 9.49. Yeah, okay, let's quickly apply some momentum indicator and see what it's going to give us. Okay, here its momentum is expected to remain flat, but may begin to incline to the upside from early January. Yeah, okay, let's see what the news is. Nothing. Hims versus TDOC, which teller Health stock looks more compelling. Okay. Okay, so that's what's going on with these two stocks. Have a look and see what you make of them. And thank you very much for watching this video.